Okay, so these are the things we want to avoid.
Yes.
The first mistake is lack of commitment. So the biggest waste of time and money when it comes to Facebook and Instagram ads is people will say, oh, I boosted a post here, or I put a few dollars to that there. I'm going to just try it. I'm going to dabble. And then they're just like, that didn't really work out, or I didn't really see the results that I was looking for. So I'm just going to, move on to something else. So when you are serious about growing your platform, growing your show, growing your business, growing your brand, then you want to pick a marketing strategy and, down the road have several marketing channels that are working for you, but that you're consistent about. Just like when we're starting our show, the people that are like, maybe I'll release an episode here, maybe I'll do another one there, they're not going to see that growth and the benefits of having a podcast, if they're just dabbling with it. So be committed to the process. And as I said, you don't have to start off with a lot of money. A very small investment will do, especially for this strategy. And then of course you can test other strategies as well to grow your email list or whatever, retarget people to your paid products down the road. But with this strategy, I would say keep the budget at, fairly low, $10 to $20, just test it out, but be in it for the long term. Another one, is that people don't get educated to understand what the options are, in the ads platform. So there are a lot of different options. Gosh, Facebook keeps trying to add more options for us. We're always finding something new in the ads manager, like, oh, that was there before. But it is important when setting up your campaign that you understand what the different options mean and how to set up your campaign in the right way. So you've got to have some education under your belt. For this strategy, it's going to be very simple. I would recommend doing a traffic campaign, but just understand how to put it together in the right way.